buildings are not completely destroyed.
Brooklyn.
Hmm? Oh, chicken?
I got
Oh, is that one?
Chick-fil-A.
Can I grab the chicken? Put the chicken down. I think that's one. Put the chicken down. Isn't it F? I think it's F. I'm back here.
Run.
Keys.
Chick-fil-A.
Well, I caught it. I got the thing. I got the sheet him up, but I guess not. Well, it's gonna come up as we're driving away. So far we had to adjust my settings, but it's very hectic.
Go
If you
speed.
go
I'll
into the
still
new
be on.
map, it's a
No,
war
it's full
zone for
speed.
sure right now. Like, it is pretty intense. It is an utter war zone. Jeez. Interesting. Yeah. Well, of course, everybody wants to go. See him?
He's broke.
He's healing. Don't go too far.
Yeah, I know.
Did you break the fucking zip line?
Yeah.
One of them did. They were shooting at
We
him.
can't get down now.
Yeah, you can. He
You
got
can
up.
get up.
Oh my god.
Where is
Yeah,
that?
I can't find the damn zip. There it is.
Oh my.
What was that?
Thanks, Bear. Oh, is that teddy bear? Okay. That's actually a really good one. Ah! Why? You're so lucky I was muted in VC.
Worse than an annoying tracer, they have a Roadhog that's really good at grabbing. Right out of the sky.
Oh, they have a road.
Do you have a Roadhog?
No! Not again! I just got wrecked!
Oh no!
He literally grabbed me
That's sugar. I need Coca-Cola. It may look like the other. Oh, you brought both.
I would never miss the joke. You know, I'm currently streaming.
Slow that stream down. Nice, slow, yeah. Oh, gotta stop. What are you, old man? Okay, this is really cold.
Why am I in the middle of this?
You're just sitting there.
What? Nothing. I'm not doing anything. Huh?
And it is Brooklyn. Onward.
I did nothing. You guys didn't see anything, right?
We saw
You saw nothing, right?
everything.
Moira ran her yellow key on me.
I'm just gonna use my,
That was worse.
my normal excuse. I
What
know
happened?
shit about fun.
Oh my god. Nothing happened.
Here,
Nothing.
Tank.
That's sugar. I need Coca-Cola. It may look like the other. Oh, you brought both.
I would never miss the joke. You know, I'm currently streaming.
Slow that stream down. Yeah, nice and slow. Yeah.
I'm gonna
gotta
leave.
stop. What are you, an old man?
A little on your hand here.
Okay, this is really cold.
Oh my god.
Get a bubble. My bubble. No one pop my bubble. You pop my bubble.
Oh, whoops. I'm so sorry.
You pop my bubble. I said don't pop the bubble when you pop the bubble. They are still in stream. Fucking Christ! Well, of course you're gonna get me with that one. But I don't know if they're here, but it is someone's birthday today. Why? Why? Oh God, Dixper 2, Jesus Louise! Raiju thing, and I'm pretty sure with Raiju, we can see just alone from. Ah! Oh, you asshole! J King just came up here and scared the living shit out of me. I'm sorry. I just came up. Where? You're. I didn't even ask how old you were, but it's old. Oh, right! Didn't even ask. Is he calling me old? Because I didn't even ask him about. I think he called me old.
Damn, that goes to prove.
Very rude. He called me old.